Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm waxing and tinting my eyebrows. So I'm starting off with black tint. The tint that I use is actually beard dye that I found at the store. So I'm just going to leave that on there for about 2 minutes. I'm going to shape it up with a Q-tip, and then after that I am going to shape my brows up and wax them. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like and subscribe. Okay, so while the brow tint is processing, I start on my unibrow and I apply the wax the direction of the hair growth, and then I'm going to pull the opposite direction. Same for all around on the actual brows. So I let this process on my brows for about maybe 2 to 3 minutes because I didn't want it to get super dark. And so to take it off, I just wet a piece of tissue paper because I was using cotton, but cotton was too messy. So I just take some tissue paper and wipe it off with some water. And then to shape my brows up, I'm going to take the wax and, like I said, apply the wax in the direction of the hair growth. So I'm following my natural arch just like that. And then I'm going to pull the opposite direction of the hair growth and apply pressure afterwards and apply a little oil, and we're good to go. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you like and enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.